super excited because we have got a brand new piece of music to learn. It is called Music is the Key, and within this piece of music we've got some body percussion to learn. So that is what we are going to focus on in this video right now. If you can stand up and then find yourself a little bit of space. Excellent. So what we're going to do is learn the body percussion. Now there are 3 sections of body percussion within this piece. The first section is called the introduction and it is 4 bars long. Now all 4 bars together go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we break that down into 1 bar at a time, the very first bar goes like this. Super slowly it goes right foot, left foot, thigh, clap, clap. Ta, 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 ti, ti. Let's try it really, really slowly together. So get your right foot ready. After 4 it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, left foot, thigh. Clap, clap. 1, 2. Here we go. Right foot, left foot, thigh. Clap, clap. 1, 2. Here we go. Ta, ta, ta. Ti, ti. 1, 2. One more time. Right, left, thigh, clap, clap. Very good. All right, let's try it a little bit quicker. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, thigh, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, thigh, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, thigh, clap, clap. 1, 2. One more time. Ta, 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 ti, ti. Excellent. So that is bar 1 of our introduction. Now bar 2 is very simple. It's just a shush, a ta, another shush and a ta. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shush, ta, shush, ta. And again it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, click, shh, click. Let's try it together really, really slowly, okay? So get your clicks ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, click, shh, click. 1, 2, here we go. Shh, da, shh, da. Very good. Okay, this time, let's try doing the shushes in our heads. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, let's try putting bar 1 and 2 together. So just to remind you, bar 1 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bar 2 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So together they go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, thigh, clap, clap. Shh, shh. Right, left, thigh, clap, clap. Shh. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ta, 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 ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ta, 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 ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ta, 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 ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ta. Very good, excellent. So you'll be pleased to know that that is bars 1 and 2 complete, and bars 3 and 4 are exactly the same as 1 and 2. So the whole of the introduction goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, da, dee. Sh, da, sh, da, 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 da. Sh, da, sh, da. Let's try it. The whole 4 bars together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, da, da. Sh, sh, da, da, da. Sh, click, sh, click. Very, very good. Excellent. So what you need to do now is pause the video here and keep going over the introduction till you could do it without any mistake.